Hey everyone, it's Rochelle with Originally Worn, and here in this video I'm going to show you how I'm transferring my pretty plain hallway in my ranch home with peel and stick wallpaper. Everything can be found linked below in the description or on my Amazon store. Peel and stick wallpaper is super easy to use, easy to adjust, and really give you a bang for the buck. If your space is in need of spicing up in an area, whether it be a whole room or on just an accent wall, I would really suggest looking for a peel and stick wallpaper. I've put traditional wallpaper up and peel and stick wallpaper, and the ease and ability to take the peel and stick down is just by far the most wonderful thing ever. What a quick way to transform a space. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I'm going to go on and put it in our entryway and in our front door next. Hope you guys have a great day and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And always, thanks for watching. Bye.